Hi everyone. My name is Alex.
And I'm Emma. Welcome back.
Tonight, we are at a hospital.
It is late at night. The street is quiet.
The hospital lights are on.
People inside are still working.
Doctors,
Nurses.
they help people, day and night.
Tonight, we will spend some time here.
We will speak slowly.
And calmly.
Pause. Let's go inside.
The doors open slowly.
The floor is clean and shiny.
The lights are bright but soft.
I feel a little nervous.
That's okay.
Hospitals can feel scary.
Yes, but they are also safe places.
People come here to get better.
Good evening. Good evening.
Hello.
How can I help you?
We are here to visit a patient.
What is the patient's name?
His name is Mr. Robert Lee. Pause.
One moment, please.
Pause.
He is in room 312.
Is he okay?
Yes, he is resting now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please be quiet.
Of course. This hallway is very long.
Yes, and very quiet.
I hear machines.
They help the patients.
Room 309.
Room 310.
We are close now.
Let's walk slowly.
The room is quiet.
Mr. Lee is sleeping.
His breathing is slow.
He looks peaceful.
Pause.
Let's stand here.
Yes. We don't want to wake him.
Waiting is hard.
Yes. Time feels slow.
Do you remember your first hospital visit?
Yes. I was very scared.
Me too.
Now I feel calmer.
Maybe because we understand more.
Yes. That helps.
Good evening. Good evening, doctor.
Hello.
Mr. Lee is doing well. That's good news.
Thank you, doctor.
He needs rest now.
We understand.
I will check on him later.
Okay. Thank you.
It is very late now,
The hospital is quieter.
but people are still working.
I feel thankful.
Me too.
For doctors.
For nurses.
For care.
And for hope. Let's go now.
Yes. Let him rest. Pause.
We walk slowly.
The hallway feels peaceful.
The night shift is calm.
We are outside again.
The night air feels cool.
The hospital lights shine softly.
Our night at the hospital ends here.
Pause. Thank you for listening.
Take a deep breath
Stay calm.
and rest well.
See you next time.
Good night.